break another angle that is now coming across, because over this row of constructing Congress office plea that seems to be now under fire, with the minister himself now issuing a clarification, and he's in a way downplayed the controversy as he says that his remarks have now been misinterpreted. He first says build office and situation may change till the time the Congress government is there in Karnataka. The office should be made as soon as possible. Now he says that his remarks were misunderstood.
ಅರ್ಥೈಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಅರ್ಥ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವರು ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ಕಾರನ ಬೀಳ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ಬೇಗ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
ರಾಜಕಾರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು
ಮುಂದಿನ ಬಾರಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು?
ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಗ ಬರಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪಕ್ಷ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಈಗಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ, ಸಂಜೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು?
ದೆಹಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿರಗೊಳಿಸಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಇದು ನಾವು ಏನು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬೀಳ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Well, Imran, what do we make of the minister's latest statement? He seems to be suggesting that his statement was misunderstood. Misunderstood in what way? He would be privy to the information as far as the financial situation of the state is concerned.
Well, absolutely. I mean, his justification is that he was asked the building should be constructed fast, and there's nothing wrong in what he said. He goes on to even question the reporters there who asked him, why do you have to say that, whether the government will be there or not, you have to construct it within the time frame of when the government is in power, whether it eludes the fact that, government resources will be used to build Congress's party office. He said all this is all media creation. What he wanted, what buildings should be constructed fast, as the workers are demanding that since they have government in the state, they don't have a proper office, and a party office should be constructed. I only said it should be constructed fast, and other things what the media is alluring about instability of the government or the change of chief minister, or he's not unhappy with the performance of the party. Nothing to, it's all just media speculations. As far as him, the party workers demanded, and he was addressing party workers, and the building should be constructed fast. But that's not argument not being bought by the BJP. The BJP is saying very clearly there are many interpretations of his speech, and one among this is to spend 15 crore
coming in from the BJP side. However, this is the minister himself saying that his remarks were misunderstood. He was simply asking to expedite the construction process, saying that the BJP in no form can destabilize the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. Imran, thank you very much for joining in with those details. But stay